This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. And now we need to open up the glove box. So press the button there, the glove box opens. There you will see a panel, an access panel. It even says on it, air filter. That's the one. So put your hand in there and pull it out. It'll come right off. It's just held in place by a few plastic clips. Once it's off, you'll see that black cover over there. That's the one for the air filter. The way to get that cover off is you'll first have to pull down on the bottom clips. The bottom clips is what keeps the two tabs on the top from sliding out. So in this case, my right side's bottom clip is broken down, so I'll be able to just slide it down from there. See, that tab is out. Now over here, I have to first use one finger to pull it down, at the same time pull the entire cover down, and there it is. Once I get it out, I'll show you what those tabs look like. Those are the two tabs, one over there and the second one on the other side. Those ones, they slide into the slots over there, and that's what sort of keeps it in place, and the bottom clip just keeps the entire cover in place. Now grab the filter and just pull it out. It comes right out straight, and there it is. That's the cabin air filter. Now if you look at the filter, you'll see that the top side is dirty. That's where all the particulates and all the dirt is trapped, because the way it works is outside air comes from the top and the dirt gets trapped, and so when you pull the filter out, all the dirt doesn't just spill over, and the bottom side should be clean because that's the filtered side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the top, filtered air goes from the bottom. When you put the new filter back in, just note the direction of the airflow is from top to bottom. So go ahead, get the new filter and slide it in. It's gonna take a few seconds, but that's okay. You slide it in all the way. Once the filter's in, let's get the cover. And now I'll show you what it looks like when you're trying to slide it on. Just pay attention to the top tabs. Yeah, it just slides on the slot, just slides on over there, goes in just a little bit, and then the bottom clip just keeps it in place. Yep, clicked. That's it. One side is done. Now let's do it for the second side. Let's slide that tab in. As I previously mentioned, my bottom clip for the right side one is broken, but you can still see that the tab is going to slide on. Yep, it's in. Let me see if I can get some additional light in there to give you a better look. And that's it. Now we can put that access panel back on. Simply align all the pins over there with the holes. Just align it that way and then push it in one by one. Just push it in and it's gonna clip on. Let's go over the entire panel. And that's it. That is looking good. You have now successfully replaced the cabin air filter. See how easy it was? Hope you found it useful.